Hey Divas, so in today's video I will be sharing with you guys an install video. Today I'm going to be applying this Sensational Glenna unit and it's going to be completely glueless. I mean, no sprays, no tape, none of that, okay? Just raw and glueless, okay? But yeah, if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is brought to you guys by Divatress, so thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay divas, so now we're going to jump into the install. This is going to be glueless. So today we have Glenna in the color Balayage Mocha. As you guys can see, I've already customized her and pre-plucked her and everything. Here's how the inside of the cap looks. Now I am going to go ahead and tint it with this Even Lace Tint Spray, but honestly I would recommend for you to use your foundation that matches, because this one did not match my foundation that great, so it kind of made my install look like not as natural as it can, but still it does still work, okay? But anyways, now that you've customized your unit and you've tinted the lace, you're ready to go in and cut your lace. I like to use these scissors because it gives like a jagged, more natural look. I will link them in the description box below. But yeah, now that we have done all that, we have a glueless install in those simple steps. Okay divas, so that was the install. I cannot believe I got this to work glueless. I'm just like, oh my gosh, like yes, I love to take my wigs off at night, so I've been trying to find a way to like get my wigs to be worn glueless. I wear them glueless anyways because you guys know if I apply my wig, I apply with this or like some type of glueless method or a combination of the two, and then also these sprays. So I always use a glueless method, but it just feels good to be able to like take the wig off of my head and, you know, put her on the mannequin or put her in her packaging and then be able to wear her the next day and she will be nice and sitting and I don't really have to do anything. So yeah, I was so glad to share this install with you guys, and it's super easy. For me, I put a bobby pin over here for the ear tabs. I usually wear like a middle part, especially with like layered units. I would wear a middle part or a side part. So if I were you, that's what I would do, just to kind of keep it down so that also when the wind blows you will not see like any lace or anything. You can see like the highlights here because I kind of just took a little piece of hair, but you won't see any lace or anything. What you'll see is hair, so that will make it still seamless. Okay divas, so although I did already review this unit and install it, I feel like I'm seeing a little bit of a difference, so I did want to go ahead and share that with you guys. So number one, the color is absolutely beautiful. Let me just say that I love me this Balayage Mocha color, okay? It's just so cute. And I want to say, like, I feel like the layers are still there, but they are a little bit longer. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like, but I am the type of girl, like, I love a good long layer, okay? So it does not bother me at all. I don't know if that's just my unit or what, but I'm getting like more of like long layers, if that makes any sense. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah, so it's still layered, but it's just longer layers, which, like I said, I do not mind. I feel like it looks very flattering on me, especially with the highlight colors. So yeah, that's the only difference that I'm seeing with this one. But overall, Glenna is still that girl, okay? Like, I really like her. I did get a little bit of snags at the end of this one, but I was expecting to get some snags and tangles and everything because it is color. Usually when a unit is colored, especially a lighter color like a blonde or something like that, you will experience some shedding, whether it's human or synthetic hair, okay? But nonetheless, it's nothing that is like too drastic. But I did just want to point out like the differences and everything. I did go in and pluck it just a little bit, but not too much. I kind of left it a little bit dense. I didn't want to pluck it like too much, like overly, because I was like, I'm not gonna wear any baby hairs with this and I want it to kind of last, so I don't want to like bald the front area. And I feel like it still looks very, very good, and I'm so glad I could just pop her on and pop her off whenever I want to. But yeah, you guys, I pretty much just wanted to share with you guys the install and show you guys that you can wear this glueless, like completely glueless, to the point where she is able to be taken off and on, okay? I wanted to show you guys that it is possible flexible. You don't always have to like do a full install, and I know for beginners that could also be like very overwhelming, you know. And sometimes it's overwhelming for me because like I don't want to install my wig every day. Some days I just want to pop it on and go about my business. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. Glenna is still that girl. If you guys want to see the review that I did on the stock card model color, excuse me, definitely make sure you guys watch that video. I will leave it in the description box below. And if you guys are interested in this unit, they do have specialty colors as well as natural colors, so I will have the link down in the description box below. Make sure you guys are checking out Divatress for all their fabulous units. You guys know they come with the fabulous units, so definitely check them out for this one and other units as well. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up or two. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment. I would love to chat with you fabulous divas. Let me know what you think about this color on me. Let me know what you think about the Glueless install. Just talk to me. I would love to chat with you fabulous divas. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so if you like lifestyle, fashion, hair, makeup, and all that good stuff, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, okay? Because I come with the videos, okay? And I upload often. And be sure to go ahead and follow me on TikTok at glamshay7 if you have one. And be sure to go ahead and follow me on Instagram at glamshay if you have one. Sometimes I will release the videos on my wigs on TikTok and Instagram first, so you guys can kind of see like a sneak peek before I release like the full install or the full review video. But yeah, I feel like I have talked too much now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.